How to add columns to a monday.com board. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add new columns to a monday.com board. So let's get started. First of all, log into your monday.com account on your web browser, and here at the left side you'll be able to see some options. So you got to select your workspace where you wish to add a column, and then click on the project you wish to add a column in. And now you can see that this is the volunteer registration management, and I wish to add a column within this table. So what you got to do is just scroll all the way to the right, and you'll be able to see this plus icon over here. So this is basically the add columns option. So you just got to click on this plus icon, and you'll be able to see multiple options over here, the type of columns you wish to add. So there are essentials and super useful options. You can click on more and you can see various columns you can add. So you can either add categories like within featured, or you can even add essential columns. And there are super useful columns like checkboxes, world clock, the team power-ups, and the board power-up. And then we have combos. So you can just select any of it, or you can even search for any column you wish to want. And for example, I've searched for progress. So this is the progress tracking column. So I'm going to click on add to board. And once I click it on add to board, you'll be able to see that here the column has been added, and you'll be able to view it within the table. So you can see that this column has been added to all of the tables within here, because all of my tables are connected with each other. You can also add other columns. For example, let us add formula, and you can see that the formula column has been created in all the tables as they are linked and connected. So that is basically how you can add columns on monday.com. And if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.